Writing a blog post, landing page, or other web content from scratch can feel daunting. Add following all the SEO content optimization rules into the mix, and many people feel more intimidated. Luckily, the SearchAtlas SEO Content Suite makes making new, optimized content from scratch a cinch. I'll walk you through how to go from an idea to a fully optimized blog today. But keep in mind, you can use this same process for landing pages, product pages, and more. To begin, we're going to use the Content Planner. Simply put your topic idea into the search bar. Change the location if needed, then click Create Content Plan. Next, all you have to do is click View Topics. The result is a very expansive list of topic clusters you can use to inspire this piece and future pieces. Today, we're going to choose a topic that is moderately difficult to rank for. As you browse through, you will want to pay attention to each cluster's keyword difficulty as well as search volume. Lower difficulty with higher search volume is best. Today we're going to choose the topic bulbs perennials because it has a high search volume and a moderate keyword difficulty. All you have to do is click Create New Article, then View Article. At this time, your keywords will automatically populate into the SEO Content Assistant tool, where you will begin optimizing and creating your new content from scratch. Within the SEO Content Assistant tool, you'll find everything you need to fully optimize new content, including focus terms, which are semantically related to your target keywords. The default organization of your focus terms is by cluster type. However, you can change this to completion instead, and the list will automatically be reordered by the importance of each focus term. You can also organize your focus terms in other ways, including by heading presence. This can help you as you're first beginning to write to understand what your readers are looking for in terms of their headings and content. As you hover over each of the focus terms, you can see a preview of the top ranking websites that use them. Internal and external linking are also very important for SEO, which is why you'll find our link suggestion menu here. If you're optimizing for a client page, you may need to input their domain. The tool will automatically select internal links that are most relevant to your target keywords. In addition to internal links, external links, and focus terms, you will also find the top 20 ranking pages for your target keyword. These can provide you with great insight in terms of what ranks or what direction to go to in terms of your article. Another helpful aspect of the software is the questions provided. These questions are pulled from Google's People Also Ask section. They allow you to see what searchers commonly ask surrounding your topic. Now that we have a pretty good idea for what ranks for these keywords, we're going to start typing our article. I usually start with my title, which should include your target keyword or a variation thereof. Format your title to heading 1 or H1. This will be the only H1 in the entire article. Next, I'm going to do a rough draft of my meta title and meta description. Each of these should also include your target keyword or a variation. The icon changing from red to yellow to green indicates that you're on the right track in terms of optimization. Most meta descriptions should be between 130 and 150 characters, including spaces. Try to make your meta description intriguing and accurate to help searchers understand what the article is and encourage them to click on it from the SERPs. Again, I'm going to speed the process up a little here to save you time. Next, I often write my introduction, although some writers prefer to write this after the entire article is written. Just remember when you do that your introduction should be engaging and it should include your primary keywords. Next comes the work of writing the actual article. Due to search intent, we believe that we're going to go with a list form of the best perennial bulbs to plant in fall. Luckily, we can use our AI to get us started. To do so, I'll begin with the heading for the section and then prompt the AI to create a list for me. The feather icon to the left of any line gives you the opportunity to get AI generated content for the line's topic. Now that we have this piece of AI generated content, we're going to continue to add to our list based on our focus terms. While we won't get all of the suggested plants in the focus terms list, we will get most. And you can always go back and add more later or include the rest in the remainder of the article. You can also go back and add more to the list in the future if needed. Of course, you want to give your readers useful and relevant information they can use, which is the direction we're going to go in with our next section. After this, we'll begin tackling some of the people also ask questions using our AI content generation. Again, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the process. As you go, you can always modify the AI generated content to better fit your needs or to sound more like your brand voice. You can also change the formatting to improve the readability of the article. Some techniques that I use include adding additional headings, adding bullet points, or using numeric lists. As you go through, you'll likely find that the AI generated content lends itself really well to some of the terms in your focus terms list. However, sometimes they need a little bit of modification, like I'll do here with our colors. While this may feel like keyword stuffing, it's not. Keep in mind that your purpose is to make sure that those looking for specific terms will find the right article to help them most. And these slight modifications are just signifying to Google that your article will be helpful to those looking for these specific bulb colors. The remainder of the content optimization process is pretty simple. Continue to go through, filling in any additional details that would be helpful to your readers and allows you to incorporate more focus terms. As you go, you'll notice your content score continues to climb. Once you're done writing the majority of your article, you can go ahead and finish by writing your conclusion. Oftentimes, writers include a call to action at the very end that links to one of their primary pages. Here we link to an online shop. Additionally, you want to include internal and external links throughout your article. For internal links, it's as easy as finding any text that's already highlighted purple. Simply run your cursor over this text, right-click, and then select Internal Link Suggestions. For external links, you can go to the Link Suggestions menu. You also want to format your headings in accordance with a hierarchy, starting with the larger headings first and going to smaller headings within that subtopic. Finally, you're going to change the status of your document to completed so any of your teammates know that it is already written. Then you can use the one-click publishing to WordPress to automatically transfer this content directly to your website.